So today we go a series of workshops, lectures, activities, the tour of this facility, some really nice food, and it's just a mixture of activities and discussions and inspiration to help the participants that come here to really have an enjoyable and fun day.
I'm just so excited to see what's going to happen today and how things are going to go and what we're going to learn, and to go home with lots of inner peace, I hope. That's what I'm looking forward to most, I think.
Happiness comes from within. Sometimes it's good to pause, reflect, and think what is important in life.
Making our understanding even profound by giving us simple strategies, simple answers, and I probably had good 2 or 3 reflections immediately.
So if you do one kind act a day, what happens is you become selfless. Yeah, you become kind, you become selfless.
I think it's been a wonderful day, and I would recommend it to anybody that would consider bringing their team here. It's helped team building, and we've all just had such a good time together.
Look, in your life, am I existing or am I living? Am I surviving or am I thriving? Am I going with the flow or am I finding my own flow? We're all looking to be happy. There was a study of Harvard University, and they looked at over 85 years of what's the thing that makes people happy. What's that one thing that gives people inner fulfillment? The thing that makes people happy, what they found out in that Harvard study, positive relationships. When we have positive relationships, things are better. We feel better.